Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the ZATOCL brand 150-liter laundry basket with wheels. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out of the box, you'll find the actual basket itself, wheels, all the components, screws, put this part together. I do like that I'm seeing some letters. It means it's probably got some labels, which is always important to understand exactly what you're doing. Yep, so we'll know what's F, what G is. That's always helpful. And of course, you know, the bin. So you'll find your packing list, and again, you'll luckily have the F and the G kind of identified. They do a nice job of kind of showing you the image. Some of these companies do not do that at all, but you'll see kind of all the different ways to do this, and of course on the back, you know, how to put it together. So I'm not going to, you know, show you any of the details of how it's put together, but I am going to install it and show you what it looks like after. All right, so let's start by saying this thing is massive in size, not like gigantic. It's at my waist, but tons of storage space, 150 liters, they say. I don't know what that is in a gallon, but a couple things to note. First of all, you're going to have a couple extra parts and pieces. You'll have 2 extra of these and 1 extra screw in case anything breaks. Something I really like is the ability to kind of clip these on. So as we throw a ton of different gear, you know, clothes, whatever, into this, this won't unfold. It does fit in really, really nicely. And it's got some wheels with lockable capabilities. So I would try and say maybe try and align those on the same side, which I've done. But you'll just kind of lock them in place by pushing that down. So this thing is totally awesome. Love the handle capability. So I just unstrap, you know, unclick these, pull this out if I need to. Other thing that I want to point out is there's a nice little, you know, deep bag here, mesh bag. So if I need to put any kind of, you know, fabric softener, deodorant, or detergent, or whatever I want to put in there, a lot of capability. So totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.